How to decorate your life journal. Out with the old black ink on lines and in with images that will highlight and inspire your words. The journal of choice is a stapled or sewn paper one. They are easy to make or inexpensive to buy. Of course, you can use any journal, diary, notebook of your choice. Just have fun. Decorate your journal with stamping. Pick your favorite stamps. Teacups, flowers, people, images. Words are good too. Anything that inspires you. Decorate your journal with stickers. Be sure to place stickers onto the page so that it overlaps into the writing space. This way, when you write, you'll have to write around what you glued down. Framing the sticker. Decorate your journal with paper scraps. Use light color scrap paper that ink will show up on. Rip the paper and glue them down with clear glue. Let your inner child out and go crazy. Add stamping on top to have more texture on your pages. Decorate your journal with watercolor. Take a piece of plastic, add watercolors to it, and smash it into the paper. You get the most random yet super cool look with this technique. Live in the moment. Create beautiful journals.